Good Friday, everyone. This is meteorologist Dave Snyder at the National Weather Service with Alaska's statewide weather. Low pressure moving across the Chukchi Seacoast is starting up a few more rain showers across the western coast. And another wave of low pressure is working in across the south and eastern Bering Sea. That low pressure system down to 1,003 millibars with a strong southerly flow out ahead of the southwesterly coast that will continue to add more rainfall to the rest of your weekend as we go ahead into Friday night and into Saturday. The Gulf of Alaska at high pressures sitting right outside of Prince William Sound. It's 1,024 millibars. Brought a beautiful day to south central, the Copper River Basin, and really a large part of the interior just south of the Yukon Valley. Northward, considerably more clouds this afternoon, and even a few showers or storms across the eastern Beaufort Seacoast and closer to the Alcan border east of Arctic Village. A frontal boundary will lie across the coastal plain just south of Barrow and Wainwright tonight. That's going to allow high pressure from the Arctic to dip a little bit further south and give you a better chance for some light rain, drizzle, and maybe a little bit of fog. Low pressure just south and west of Nunivak Island and very close to St. Paul at 1,004 millibars will continue the southerly flow across the Yukon, Kuskokwim Delta, as well as Bristol Bay, Norton Sound, and up toward the southern coastline of the Seward Peninsula and Nome and St. Lawrence Island. Watch for rain and milder temperatures there tonight. As that warmer air continues to spread north and east, more areas of rain and showers will be found into the middle Yukon Valley and Kotzebue Sound. Meanwhile, Saturday represents a change in the weather for south central Alaska with periods of rain developing primarily in the afternoon, and there will be several more as we head into Sunday there, but it does not look to be a super soaker as it was just the other day. Low pressure north of the western Aleutians at 1,002 millibars will continue another wave of rainfall moving toward the Pribilofs and the southern Bering Sea, and more wetter and warmer weather will continue working up through the western and northern Pacific, heading for the western Gulf as we head into Sunday. High pressure is weakening, allowing more clouds and rainfall opportunities to shape up for parts of southeast by the end of the weekend. And it's also aiding that warm and wet flow into southwest, south central, and the interior heading into Sunday. Plan for a wetter day there. Periods of rainfall should be expected along the entirety of the Yukon Valley as we go through Sunday, with showers continuing along the north and south-facing slopes of the Brooks Range. With Alaska statewide weather, this is meteorologist Dave Snyder. You can always find your latest forecast information on NOAA Weather Radio, Marine VHF, and weather.gov/Alaska.